Hey everyone, Scott here coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf, and I'm so excited. I just released my funnel. You can copy. You want to copy it? But first you want to smash subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications from me. And look at my screen right here, $15,975 with this system I've been with for 7 years in the 2.0 version. Are you ready? And guess what? Look at this. This is a capture page. Guess what you're going to have? You're going to have this. This converts at about 40%. I've been using this now for quite a while. I've switched a few around because I've been doing tests for about 2 years. This has been my highest converting one. You're going to have it. It's going to be right in your E1U Life back office. So Scott, you may ask, why are you giving me all this? Well, because our compensation plan is so leveraged that it pays for me to help you. So I put together this whole entire funnel that you can copy. And you can generate instant to you, $25,000 to $2,000 instant payments. Now, ask yourself, would $25,000 to $2,000 instant payments help you change the way you're in? Because I watch the news and listen, I don't want to work for no corporate person. So it's up to you. I did this. I've been with this for 7 years now. I fired my boss in 2016. Now I'm going to help you. So here we go. First off, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern in my Facebook group is Scotty's Affiliate Marketing Show. Please make sure that you show up there. If you're not in my group, go below, get in my group. And now let's show you how to make some money here and show you what you're going to get. So when you click the link below, you're going to have these options for different options. I'm going to go over those options. But first, when you go to this site here, you're going to put your email address in. Then it's going to take you over to this page. Now, this is a page that I have branded for me, and this is what the Vertex Live can do for you. You can have a complete branded page for the Vertex Live. I do have other bonuses, but I do go over your different $30, $110, $275. There's plenty of options for go where you feel comfortable. You're getting my bonuses. You're going to be able to actually use my bonuses because I'm going to let you use my website. So ain't that great? And so let's get into the bonuses. What are the bonuses here? So your bonuses for in here, this is the page. So first off, you're getting this funnel. I'm just doing some edits tonight. They're editing it out for me tonight. We're going to change some of this, make it look a little nicer. But this video itself sells. If you look at my signups today, it attracts attention, and it just launched today. And I'm already getting feedback from it, which is good feedback because I want good feedback, because if I get good feedback, I know it's going to work for you. So what are you getting today for joining me in E1U Life? And not only are you getting a complete business in a box that you can copy me and work only 30 minutes to a half hour a day just starting part-time, is I'm giving you this whole funnel, which is $1,497 value. If you do decide to go with the full brand, get your website and all that, you're going to get I'm going to start your business while you're going through the 30-day blueprint. Yes, that's important, in your back office, okay? So your business will be running, so leads will be coming to you, the autoresponder will be working, and you also have this because I'm giving you a step-by-step source to accelerate your income. This is a course. It's a course. It's a source and a course. This is important that you do that. I'm going to be very, very stern. Not stern, but I'm going to hold you accountable. Make sure you do it because you need to learn this in order to be like me, right? You want to fire your boss. But the whole point of me helping you is so you can learn while I start you off. So you don't have to stop what you're doing. So you're going to want this bonus, definitely. There's 7 bonuses here. You get 6 of them, product packages 1 through 5. And the Vertex Live, you'll get this one right here. Bonus number 3, okay? Your step-by-step, we went through that. Bonus number 4, my high-converting email swipes. I've been typing emails since 2018 when I first started. So with the email, because I did a different kind of marketing that I do teach in my Facebook group and on my Scotty's Affiliate Marketing Show every Tuesday and Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern in my Facebook group. And you can go down below and you can get into my Facebook group for free, feel the waters out, check me out. But I'm giving you this funnel. This can be yours because this is going to be in the back. You don't even have to contact me for this funnel because it's going to be in the back of your back office under links. And yes, an autoresponder is included. So look at this. Everything, your leads, your referrals, your traffic store, your links, all in one spot, and your commissions. Before I go back to the bonuses, you want to see what kind of commissions you can get. They're paid instantly and directly to you. And I hope you're coming tonight. Every Tuesday, I'm going to leave that webinar link below. Every Tuesday and Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern, we do a business demonstration where you see what we have and how we can help you fire your boss. So as you can see, 25, 250, 100. E1 Marketing Pro, you can make $24.50 on a monthly. That's residual income. 100, 250, 2,000, 25, 2,000. And guess what, folks? I haven't even really promoted this because I've been building this for you. But now, since I've launched this funnel, I have, in the last day, I've had 10 new members come on board. So it's very high converting. Now, email swipes includes an auto reply, autoresponder, all on Google Docs, okay? Access to proven ad copy. Yes, this is proven ad copy for my proven ad copy that I use in Craigslist ads and other sites, and the sites. Proven. YouTube link rotor. What does that mean? YouTube link rotators. I'll put your link. So when you send me this link right here, this capture page, which you'll find when it's ready tomorrow, the 22nd of February, you're going to find it right here in your affiliate dashboard, all in one spot. You're going to go to your links, you're going to send it to me. I'm going to take that, put it into my traffic splitter, and add it to every single one of my YouTube videos. How does that sound? If that sounds good, make sure you like this video at the time of 6 minutes and 10 seconds when you're seeing this. So let's get back to the bone. Enough about me, let's talk more about you. How's that sound? Access to proven ad copy, all right? We already said that. Look at the value you're getting. You're getting, even if you don't do Vertex Live, you do Vertex Pro, get a multi-page funnel, you're still getting 1,500. You're still getting 600. You're still getting 500. You're still getting 1,000. This is the value stacks that are piling up here. Bonus number 6. This is endless value. So I can't put a price tag on this because what I do on YouTube, I teach you how to get organically found. So that also happens on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. in my Facebook group for Scotty's Affiliate Marketing Show. Everything I've been doing for 7 years, I'm just spilling the beans and I'm showing you because I love the business I've been with for 7 years and I love what they did to make it better, make it more suitable for everyone to win here in 2023. And then finally, this is the mother of all bonuses. This is being worked on. I am working on it now as I finish the funnel up. I have a membership site for my team only. You're going to get your own affiliate link. You're going to be able to get your team in there. It's going to have all my marketing tools that I've been using for 7 years in there, okay? So that's free to you, and you can offer that as a bonus to yours too. So all this here you can use. So that's why I say, do you want to copy me? And remember, I touched on the 30-day blueprint. After you go, put your email address in here. Link is below. You're going to come over here. You're going to watch this 10-minute VSL that I did for you. Again, you can copy this. Again, this site can be branded in the Vertex Live. If you want a site that looks like this to subscribe to your YouTube, for your Facebook, or if you want to keep it simple, all you have to do, you can still collect the $2,000 instant commissions, and you just use what? Use my funnel and my high converting capture page. All right, so that's that. I do a recap. Click the link below. Get in my Facebook group. Make sure you fill this form out here so you get on my email list, so you get connected with me. This way we can help you get in my Facebook group so you can come on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to my affiliate marketing show where you can ask me any questions. Also, every single Wednesday at 10 Eastern, I am live on YouTube. I like to do everything Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday because all in all, we work this when we want. So I like to work 3 days a week, and I like to have 4 days off. So 4 days off a week for you, it sounds good. Let me know. Make sure you say, yes, Scott, I want 4 days off, whether you're watching this on YouTube or this will be on Facebook, because I'm also going to show you how to use Facebook. So, but your first steps here is to start with the link below. Get going. Get your business up and running. Let me help you be successful. Let me give you the tools you need. As long as you're willing to take an hour or 2 a day, take it seriously, because in 90 days, your situation can be completely different, and you, my friend, can fire your boss or have extra income coming in for you, not anyone else. I'll see you on my next YouTube video, and I look forward to connecting with you. Bye for now.